So what I'll be doing is I'll be going through the next or the final section of this form. Okay, then I'll be doing another video just as a kind of overview and going through the concepts again, just kind of a quick go through and quick do the whole pattern for you guys and just give you it in one piece. Okay, for this video I'm going to concentrate on the final section. So where we left off was the pack cells here, okay, and then that. Okay, next section, so again going left to right, okay, so this is how I do it. Tarn cell in the centre, okay, go on, which will keep the elbow same, okay, don't knock the elbow out. So these are a series of blocks, okay, in the centre, go on, then I'll do the tarn again, but this time in having that in line with your shoulder, but keeping to the side of your body, okay. For example, if someone was to punch and I was to attack here, it's more likely to be somewhere on the side. Don't get too caught up, it could be here, could be here, could be there, but that's what we're going to do. So this is defining the centre line where it should be, same with the Garn cell, but then the tarn to shoulder. Okay, I don't see also any point. If you're going to do tarn, Garn, there's no point doing it again, you might as well do it from a different position, okay? So, tarn, Garn, tarn, hin, cell where it is, low palm, from here, circle, same with the right, okay, so centre, Garn cell, tarn the shoulder, hin, keep it relaxed, palm strike, and then again. Then from here, you go bong cell, again, going left to right, bong, okay, tarn to the shoulder, palm to the chin, okay, then back in, bong, okay, tarn, palm, circle, back in. Then the final part of this form, again how I do it, you go one, okay, hand coming back here, someone, the way I think of it, someone grabbing you, it's getting them off, okay, 1, 2, 3, okay, so go from that again. Oh, usually it's, I go down, 1, 2, okay, so coming from the bong cell, 1, 2, 3, okay, go 1, 2, 3, and from here this comes into a fist, 1 single, 1 single, and then 1 double, okay, tarn, back in, then and finish, and that's the form, okay. So I'll go through this section once again, slowly. Okay, so coming from the pack cell from the previous section, okay, so you got tarn cell, here, go on, tarn to the side, in, low palm, okay, tarn, centre, Garn, tarn to the side, in, palm strike, left to right again, bong cell, tarn, palm, okay, in, then bong, tarn, palm again, bong, tarn cell, palm strike, okay, then from here, 1, okay, 2, 3, to a fist, 1, notice when I'm here, this replaces it, it's ready to go again, 1 single, single, double, okay, tarn, okay, I'll go through this once more at speed, you can see how it's done, okay. In the next video I'll be going through the whole thing. So from the previous section, okay, and there you have it, guys. Okay, so on the next video I'll see you and I'll run through the whole thing, give you a quick overview again, and I'll give you the whole pattern and you can put it together, okay? So until then I'll see you guys. Train hard but stay safe. Okay, I'll see you then.